Buenos dias, Goddess Shala here, Reiki Master, Real Tech Practitioner, Aura Healer, and Tarot Reader. And today I want to show you how to use that pendulum to get answers to your questions. And I do have a question from one of the viewers here, which I will answer. Okay, but first I like to say that I did the quantum jumping. I quantum jumped Lana Turner this morning, like something really quick. A few seconds, and I feel it worked. I like the way I look. Okay, quantum jumping is where you imagine being a certain person. Let's say Lana Turner is a beautiful actress from the 1930s, and I like the way she looks with her beautiful hair and her beautiful, beautiful glorious skin. So I imagined being her. I just imagined her picture. I saw it. And I just imagined becoming her and having that energy of Lana Turner. And then I looked in the mirror and I'm like, ooh, I like the way I look. Okay. And yes, there is makeup here, and but it would almost guide you to how to put your eyeliner on, or which lipstick to apply, depending on what energy you acquired. Okay, so check out my video on quantum jumping, and we'll do more quantum jumping in the future because it does work. You can try it out for yourself and see for yourself. Okay, so pendulum. Now, first, you can use anything that hangs like this. Okay, something that's where you have something heavy, and then something where it hangs and it can go and it can move freely like this. Okay, so I can use my necklace, I suppose. But now some people, purists, they need certain conditions to be there. So it has to be a crystal. This is a crystal, quartz crystal. Then it has to be a chain, metal chain, etc., etc. Do what works for you. For me, I've been doing this for a long time, for years, that I can use anything. I can use anything now. I can use this. I can use anything. I can tie a rock. I can tie anything. Even something made of plastic. Anything. Anyway, but first, now this is very important. You need to do a prayer of protection, because there are actually energies moving around us all the time. And you don't want to call the negative energies, the lower energies, because they can hurt you. Okay, I don't want to scare you, but you want to hear the truth, that's how it is. So I always do a prayer. Now, I used the word God, but you can always replace it with an energy that you feel is protective. So let's say the energy of love. So you can replace the word God with love. Okay, and the more important thing is that you feel it. That love is powerful and it can protect you. Love, peace, power. Okay, anything like that you feel can protect you. But I will use the word God or Goddess. So this is the prayer that I would do, that I would say 3 times. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I'm a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I'm a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I am a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. Now, channeling just means that you're channeling a positive spirit, God, will answer your questions through this pendulum. Okay, now you have the pendulum, and you ask it, what is a yes for you? Thank you, dear pendulum. So clockwise. What is a no for you? Ooh, counterclockwise. Now this is the usual. Many pendulums like this. Okay, now what is a maybe? Up, up, and and down. Okay, so that's a maybe. Okay, so one viewer asked, Anila Batul. Yeah, see, it's saying yes. Yeah, Anila Batul asked, my question is, will I ever be able to get a genie? Yes, my subliminal on finding genies and acquiring a genie is very popular. Okay, let's see. Anila Batul. Yes. Yes, you will be able to find. See, look at this. It's already saying yes. I just asked a question and it already understands. Yes. Ooh, and look, it's pretty powerful the way it's doing it too, right? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, yes. So that's how you use a pendulum. If you have any questions, post it. If I can answer or if I have a chance to answer, I will. Let me tell you, since I've been doing these subliminals, as you can see, they're all free. I don't put any ads or anything, so my life is wonderful. It is. So I'm busy doing stuff I love to do. So as you can see, pendulums. I have a lot of pendulums. A lot of pendulums. See, got a lot of pendulums here. But anyway, I love my life, and I'm from the morning I wake up, I'm excited to start my day because I'm ready. All I'm doing now are things that I love. I'm going to be going also to Guadalajara in Mexico in a month, and then 2 months after for 3 weeks. And then a couple of months after that, in August, I will be going to Guatemala for another 3 weeks. This is my life. I'm doing things I love. And if you can see in my subliminals, I have things about travel, about just all my bills getting paid. All my bills are just paid. I'm an artist and I do readings, but when I get them when I need them. But I don't seem to have needed them, for a while now. It's great. Life is great. Life is good. Life is excellent. So if I'm like, okay, fine, I'll answer your question. Or if I don't get to it, it's because I'm out. I'm doing what I love and I'm living it up. FYI, what do I love? I love reading romance novels. I love writing romance novels. So I'm writing. I'm waking up, I'm writing. I'm also doing meditations. Oh my goodness, it's so fun. Reading, writing, meditations, going to the gym, swimming in the gym. Oh, it's so fun. And just hang out with friends. I do have a boyfriend. The romance, family, and just getting together with other, just hanging out with my friends and going to buffets and all you can eat. I mean, just an example of how lucky I am. Where I live, we have these buffets, and they always have, and locals get them, the discounts, where all you can eat for, I think, $3.99, all you can drink, good high quality food. Okay, so in a nice place, Suncoast Casino, Hotel and Casino, you can check it out. We have others. I think there's about 5 of them where it's just, you get excellent high quality food, high quality service for a really good price. And I think I have it in one of my subliminals. It's one of my wishes come true. It's just one of my wishes come true. I always said, when someone asked me, well, what's heaven like? And I used to say, Heaven would be like a buffet where you can have anything you want to eat and anything you want to drink, and you just, having fun with family and friends and just sharing and being together. Anyway, that's what makes me happy. So check out the subliminals. They do work. And if you have any questions, just post them. And any success stories with quantum jumping or anything, just post. Thank you. God bless. God is blessed.